Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete general chat in Telegram. For that, make sure you already have the Telegram application on your mobile device. Now here you will be seeing your Telegram messages. For example, for this video, we will go for the first one. Now at the top right, you can see their profile icon. You have to tap over there. Here you can see several options. You have to tap on the option More. Now, just above the block user option, you can see clear messages option. You have to tap over there. Telegram has one good feature, that is to delete the messages from the both side. Now you need to choose you want to delete the message for the both of you or just for you. For this video, we will tap on delete for me. You will get 5 seconds to undo. After that, you can't revive your deleted message. And this is how you can delete your general chat in Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.